Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so we do have some action now. I can start to invalidate maybe some things here. Let me see. This fourth wave, unfortunately, I still have to keep it. But you know what? I'm going to toss it on the side now. Okay, so I'm going to put the fourth wave here. And so we are still possibly doing maybe this fifth wave, which is this one. Okay, so now we do have still this possibility that we're doing a diagonal. So this was an A, B, C, and we're doing an A overshooting wave B and the C, working currently on the C. And if I do the Fib retrace extension, wave A, wave C, as you can see, we did, well, yesterday it was great. We did bend on stop to the 1-to-1 ratio. That would have been perfect. But yesterday I did tell you, in a case we fail, the next one probable level, oopsie, I don't know what I did that. So the next level, it would be the 1.618. Well, guess what? We are almost there. Let me switch to the left side now. And just want to double check if I didn't mess up. A, B, and C. No, that's good. Okay, so we are pretty much here. And yesterday I did say that this could be a level where price can react ideally. And so I'm even going to push it and do a box here. Actually, I'm going to do a bigger box. Yeah, maybe I'm a little bit cheating. I give him some latitude. So here we do have the 0.5 and the 0.618 Fib retracement. And what is that? This is the Fib retracement of all this movement here. Yes, we can go even lower. And this is the scenario pretty much now that it's kind of materializing, I would say, that, yeah, this fourth wave now, I don't think it can happen anymore. Let me double check here. I think I did it before, didn't I? Let me see. If this was a 1-2, this is the third. Let me double check. Well, I mean, up to now, I'm going. Let me just move it on the side here. Seriously. Okay, so 1, 2. And I'm going to remove the 0.786 because a wave 4 cannot really go that far. Once again, this is diagonal, right? So is allowed, the fourth wave is allowed to go deeper, 0.618. You can even overlap the wave 1, which is kind of doing now, or did, so it still doesn't invalidate this count, but it starts to be really less realistic that we are going to see this fifth wave. And perhaps maybe we need to resign to say that this 1-2 in green, this was the third in green, this perhaps can be the fourth in green, and you know, maybe if he ever managed to give us a higher high, then this could be the fifth higher high of, well, the fifth wave, right, of this green count. Worst case scenario, we cannot, so we're going to stick with this ABC correction and ABC diagonal for a wave 1 in green, bigger green though, you see, and this is would be the wave 2. And once again, this is the green box, so this is what I am looking forward now. Let me go on the daily. For sure, we know RSI, it's about to go again into oversold, almost there, near the 30 line. Can we go lower? Yes. And once again, this is the theory that, so we went higher, now we're making a correction. If you can manage to get into this box, doesn't necessarily have to, but you know, we did reach the 0.5 Fib retracement, pretty much, I would say. This was 65,686, 65,702. So I can call it done. And now can we manage to reverse here? Then we shall see. Did I want to say something else? I think pretty much all I wanted to say. 5 minutes. It's a very good manageable video, and I just want to re-emphasize on the longer term chart here. I don't want to be bearish, but I start to believe now that this was the top of our bull market. We're doing an ABC. B wave now, I'm guessing soon is going to take some time. It's not going to do that in 1 or 2 weeks. But if we can manage to go higher, I'm going to look also for an ABC. I'm going to do micro counting, and the A wave can be 5-way up, and then B wave 3-wave down, and C wave 5-way up. So I am going to take some profits here, secure my profits, because until we don't take profits, it's not really a materialized gain. I do believe now that worst case scenario, yes, we can make an extension, and then super cycle, sure, I can take that also as an option. But anyway, are we going to do that in a 3-wave? And then after that, in either case, we need to make a correction. So I don't find any problem of taking profits when I see 3-way up or 5, and then 3-wave down, and then after that a 5-way up for this C wave. When I'm going to see the top of the 3rd wave, and when I see the 4th, I'm going to see and do micro counting, but I am intending to take some profits pretty much when I can gauge the top of the 3rd wave into this eventually, hopefully, C wave, 5-way up, and prepare for the worst. If it doesn't keep climbing, no problem, but let's remember, whatever comes up has to be going down and make a correction. So it's important here to not FOMO. What's important, in my opinion anyway, and my personal finance, is to take profits and actually get some cash flow in a case we are already in a bear market. I pretty much now start to align with this scenario, and this is the A. We are working on a B. Maybe even didn't yet started, and then after that we're going to make 5-wave down, and this is the price now that we can reach, because unless we do a high B wave here, and if we stop around this area here between 87,000 and 107, which is a kind of a normal, I don't know, I'm not even comfortable to call a normal level for a B wave, because they're very unpredictable. They can even overshoot. So this is like going to be crazy hard, to gauge the B wave. B waves are very hard to gauge. So this is our challenge now, my friends. When is going to be the top? So it's really counting the waves, looking at the microstructure, looking at the Fibonacci areas, and anyway, my opinion is taking partial profits on a way up to better benefits from a nice deeper pullback when it is going to come. Everybody's eyeing this MA 200, but I'm not there yet, so we'll talk about that later on the weekly I was talking. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay safe, and have a good day. Bye!